Welcome, 8th graders. We are going to play the iCivics game, Do I Have the Right? You're welcome to figure it out yourself, but I made this short video just so that you know what you're doing. The main point of the game is that you're going to be filling out this chart. And we talked about the Bill of Rights yesterday, and the Bill of Rights gives those kind of individual freedoms that they forgot to put into the Constitution. And so you'll be filling this out. You are a law firm, and then people come in and want to sue for their rights, and you have to tell them if they have the right or not. And so the chart's really easy to fill out. You say what the issue is they come in with, which amendment does it pertain to? So amendment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you have a list in your folder. And then, do they have the right to sue, or are they totally off base? So I'll show you how this works. I really love this game. But, you know, I'm a U.S. history nerd, so maybe. No need to register. Just say no thanks. My computer's being kind of slow, so just, there we go. I'm going to turn off the sound just so it's not annoying. Okay, so new game. Do the Bill of Rights edition. Don't do the full edition. The full edition has like all 27, and it's nuts. So just do the Bill of Rights edition. If you want to play that one later, you can. Okay, pick your avatar. I definitely need glasses. How do I add those? Oh, no, I like those. Where did those other glasses go? Oof, those are great. Okay. Your law firm will be named after you and your partner lawyer. So they want your name. You can just put your initials if you want to. Ms. Sawyer, but you don't have to put your name if you don't want to. It's not registering you or anything. So we have to pick our law partner. I'm gonna pick this guy. You can pick whoever you want to. So this is your new law office that is opening, and all of these people need help. Okay, so you get okay. Click the ribbon. Everybody's happy. Look at this. Great. Okay. Open for business. Let's do some lawyering. I believe that's what they call it professionally, lawyering. And it's loading. Okay, look at this beautiful office. Beautiful. All right, so what's going to happen? You can go through the tutorial, but I'm going to hit no thanks because I'm going to explain what you do. Thank you, sir. So you are going to have people come in and tell you their problem. Let's wait for this. Okay, here we go. So let's go talk to this person. Okay. My town passed a law that the local newspapers can only print happy news. Do I have a right to run an article about homelessness? Okay, so you have to decide, is this one of the things that are covered under the Bill of Rights? And if you remember our conversation yesterday, it would be under the First Amendment, which is freedom of the press. So I'll say, do you have the right? And say, we can help with that. Okay, you want to match your lawyer to the amendment. So I picked this guy because he's in number 1, and that's the First Amendment, so I can bring them to the First Amendment issue. So now I'm going to bring them over to my lawyer. Pass the law. Okay. So it's amendment number 1. I say it's a match. Okay, they're talkie. So then I'm going to go to my chart, and I'm going to fill in. So what was the issue? Wanted to print a story in the town newspaper. Told no because it was not happy. Okay. What amendment? This would be amendment number 1, that freedom of speech one. Do they have the right? So now you have to wait and see if you win your case. Okay. So he's all talking lawyer talk, right? We got to go to this person now. Help this person. They get angry if you don't help them fast enough. Okay, the governor's mansion is next door to my house. It has a perfect shed for storing my Justin Bieber doll collection. If I give a fair price, do I have the right to take the shed? I'm going to say you can't just steal your neighbor's shed like that. Oh, look how sad he is. He's leaving. So then you can add those if you want to. So you could say wanted to buy neighbor's shed. I would say not covered because that's really no. So you can do yeses and you can do no. Okay, what's going on over here? Anything going on? Okay, then they go to trial, and you can have multiple going on at the same time. Oh, we won the case. So then I'm going to put here, yeah, yes, they had the right. Fantastic. Oh, next day, hopefully we get more customers today. New firm on the block. Look at this. Oh, we got a newspaper. Doing pretty good. All right, we'll do one more so you get the hang of it. One more day. Okay, so you can upgrade. We can have ads so we get more customers. You can have office furniture or more lawyers. I'm gonna get another lawyer because he only does the First Amendment. And okay, so this guy would do the Second Amendment, and that's the guns. So I'm gonna hire him, and I will sit him over here so that he's 6 feet apart because we need to be physically distanced, right? Oh, can I get more lawyers? Because that would be helpful. I don't know how much. Do I have like money? What's going on here? Okay, let's do oh no, I don't think I have enough money. Okay. Done. Okay, let's go talk to our new customer. My band was playing a free concert at a coffee shop. The sheriff told us we had to stop because our music is a bad influence on the employees. Probably swearing. Do we have a right to play our music? So music is actually covered under the First Amendment, that freedom of speech. So I would say, yeah, we can totally help with you. We'll give him to the First Amendment guy because that's all freedom of speech. So I would recommend if there's a lawyer with that covers the First Amendment, that's where most constitutional issues come. So I would totally do that. So essentially that's it. I'll stop. That is essentially how you play the game. Have fun. Fill out your chart.